I still can't believe in the year 2023, people are still paying others to teach them how to make money. The amount of free access and free resources we have as a human species, I'm a little confused on why we would still be doing this. Is there something I need to know? I don't know. Is there something not clicking? I don't know. Hello, my name is Jonna, and I make content on things that really matter and not a bunch of fluff bullshit. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and tap that bell so that you're notified of all of my upcoming content. Today is going to be a very brief and straight to the point type of video. Why are we as human beings still paying others to teach us how to make money? This is not knocking anyone's hustle, but you do know there is a thing called YouTube, right? The same thing you're using to watch this video. You do know there is a thing called the library, right? Right, yeah, okay. Don't we have the internet in which we can access from our smartphones, tablets, laptops, computers, and all of that jazz? Right? Right, yeah, okay. The problem is people are lazy. They want everybody else to compile all of the valuable information for them as opposed to going out and getting it themselves. They don't want to read, they can't read, I don't know, that's not my problem, but you got to do it yourself. The thing with these gurus is they're all saying the same thing. They're all regurgitating the same information. It's just compiled differently. It's packaged differently. So where do you think they get their information from? The internet. Okay, right. Now, if you're investing into something like a trade, a workshop, education, that's something very different. One of my favorite places to be happens to be at the library. And I know, that makes me a geek. Well, you're a geek for paying these idiots your money, right? Right. You guys, I'm always in shock about how much the library has to offer. And this is coming from someone who lives in the library, stays in the library. At my library, they offer free services like tax preparation, how to run a small business, how to journal and maybe use vision boards. At one point, they were helping others to get food assistance. They had little farmers markets, and you do know about the free books that hold the valuable information and the computers you can do the research on. YouTube offers plenty of valuable information that these brilliant people are giving out for free. And a way that you could thank them and pay them is by subscribing to them. Like me. Liking their videos. Like this one. Tapping that little bell so that you're notified of all of their content. Go ahead and do it. It doesn't cost anything. I promise. And comment down below. Did you enjoy this video? So until then, bye-bye everyone.